Hi, what's up, YouTube? I'm just sitting here doing my chill thing. I'm actually getting ready to, twist up me. Oh, I meant nothing. Getting ready to smoke my black and mild. I was sitting down, you know, after partying over the weekend. Kudos to Goody Mob for being out in the motherfucking rain at the masquerade for the reunion in the water, like whatever. Anyway, I was chilling over the weekend and I had like a Missy Elliott flashback, and I just think that I'm going to play. Oh no. Yeah, I'll play that one. That's hot. I like that song. I used to love that video. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and play this, and you just chill while I roll my blunt. Missy Elliott, me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, duper duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, duper duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. When the rain hits my window, I take me some Indo. You so tight that we get our styles tango. Sweet and do like he loco. Can we get kiki tonight like Coco? So, you wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke the hydro on the D-Lo. Dicky D-Lo. The keys to my Jeep. I'm driving to the beach. Top down, loud sound, see my piece. Give them pound down, look who it be. It be me and Timothy. Looks like it's about to rain, but it's shade. I got the armor to shine up stain. Oh, Missy, try to maintain. The wind, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I sit on hills like Lauren until the rain starts coming down, pouring. Chill, I got my umbrella. My finger waves for days, they fall like jump. I break up with him before he dumps me. To have me, yes you will. Smile.